go? Quack, 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 quack. Look what I got for you. Got lots of pizza and lots of bread. Come on up. Come on, boo. Come on. Oh, look what I got for you. Come on up. Come on. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Come on. Who's hungry? Come on. Can you help me film? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You can grab one so you can feed them too. And give them one too. Thank you so much for your help. Yeah, you can rip it off. Come on, you gotta grab one and then throw it in chunks. Come on. Look at all the bread we got you from Talia's. Thank you very much. You're so kind. Grab one. Give one to your husband. No. Look at that. You want to feed them? Here. Oh. Just throw them in chunks, throw them in pieces, and throw them to the doggy. Hold on. Wait. Come on. Come on up.
Take a video.
Okay, just throw it. Full problem. I don't want them to slide. Yeah, do it. Patitos. No, those the little ones still because the geese, they scare the duckies.
Oh.
So throw them as far as you can. Smaller pieces. That's so big. They're gonna choke. You wanna know?
Thank you, though. Thank you, though.
I need you to help me because record. Of course. Yeah. Oh. I got 6 or 7 baguettes plus I got
Not you, don't eat it. For the dog.